So this is the view of the outside, and tomorrow we are going to go places. Good morning, Washington D.C. So today we are going to the Capitol and we are going to the museum. So right now we are eating breakfast. We're just waiting. The kids are eating over there. It's actually a rainy day today. Pound cake. We have our umbrella. We're all bundled up. But tomorrow it's going to be a good day. So yeah, our activity today is going to be like indoor activity, like going to the museum so we don't get wet. So tomorrow we can walk around some more outside. So yeah, so far we are loving our Washington D.C. experience. It's just hard to find a parking spot here. Yeah, but all in all, it's actually nice. So I will talk to you later. Okay, so this is Julia Child's kitchen. It's awesome. Snipe eel? Oh.
Yeah, it's called a snipe eel. It's supposed to be like an eel that actually doesn't have teeth, but it's like a bird.
Today is day 2 in Washington D.C. and it seems like it's going to be a good day to be walking around. Yesterday was raining, but we still had a good time, and today it's nice and sunny. Crossing the street. Hey guys, I'm vlogging again. This time the sun is not on our faces. We are heading to the White House.
You mean breakfast first?
I don't know, we shall see. I think we should go to the White House first. So it's a good day today. Yesterday it was raining all day and we had to pack umbrellas and stuff. Today just camera. And yeah, it's still pretty chilly, but it's fine. Took a few pictures right there, so you see the White House is back there, and look, there is a police car right behind us, and it is the Secret Service. Yeah, it's a good day today, and that's it. We were only there for like 5 minutes, and it's time to get some breakfast.
time-consuming to work with. Thomas Jefferson says it's going to be about 40 hours of work just to de-seed 1 pound of cotton. I'm determining how much wool I need to thin out before
You see any fish?
That's too shallow for fish.
Guys, that's it. This is the end of our trip here in Williamsburg, Virginia. And we had fun. The kids got some candy. So now it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Good morning, Virginia. So we are on our way home. We stayed here last night. It looks pretty gloomy outside. It looks kind of cold, and it's going to rain tonight too. So yeah, we're gonna get rained on the way home. And I don't exactly know where we are at. There is Ab. She's still not quite awake. So we are getting ready to head home. We will get there tonight. Yeah, so we are just wrapping up this vlog, and yeah, we had a good time, and we looking forward to going back here because we didn't really get to discover a lot of places because there are so many. You just cannot walk to all of them, you know. So yeah, so this is actually a really good place to learn the history, especially for homeschoolers like we learned a lot, and I actually had a lot of fun. I'm not quite sure about the children if they had fun because they were whining like the whole time we were there, you know, like they're tired of walking and such. But overall we still had a great time. Yeah, the weather was good, and the only time that the weather was not quite nice was when we were in DC. Okay, so we are heading out now, and that's it for this vlog. Bye! Everybody wave! Abby!